Joe and I are about to install an 8-inch ceramic tile in this existing bathroom, laying the tile over the vinyl floor that's on a slab. It's a great way to go, but the key to a great looking ceramic tile floor is the proper layout with good square lines. Joe has a way of obtaining these square lines based on an ancient mathematical theory that you may have learned in 8th grade geometry class.
That's right, Danny. You might remember the Pythagorean theorem, which is based on a relationship between the numbers 3, 4, and 5. So what we did here is I snapped a line 8 inches off the tub wall and marked it 4 feet out. You'll see that mark on the piece of tape.
Okay.
And then I taped down the chalk line on my starting point, and I put a masking tape flag on the line itself exactly 3 feet from that starting point.
Okay, so you have the 3 foot, you have the 4 foot, now I guess
here
we have
comes
5
the
foot.
5, right.
Okay.
This is the relationship between the numbers. So now all I need to do to get a perfectly straight and square layout line is you hold that right on the 0, and I'll line up the 3 foot with the 5 foot mark on the tape, which is right about there.
Okay.
Now snap this line, and you've got 2 lines that are perfectly square at 90 degrees.
Well, you really can't rely on the walls of most houses to be square.
No, in this case, the wall and the tub were out of square by about 1 inch. And you also can't use a framing square because it's just too short and it's not accurate over this great distance we have here.
Now, with a larger distance, I guess you could just increase the numbers.
Yeah, just use the same multiples. Here we use 3, 4, 5, but 6, 8, and 10 would be the same for laying out like a deck or any larger project.
Well, I knew that geometry class would come in handy.
It would sooner or later.